pagsosolo ng SB19 members in issue. This is just so funny and at the same time so telling of the power of SB19 as a group and as solo artists. Someone from the other fandom posted on X and said, mahihirapan mag-flourish ibang artist kasi buong kategory nga sakop na nila. Dapat sana nag-disband muna bago nag-solo. Wala naman mga solid fandom ibang solo artist. Well, hindi kasalanan at wala sa kamay ng SB19 kung mag-flourish man o hindi ang ibang mga artists dahil sa industriyang kinaroroonan nila ay kanya-kanya sila. Kanya-kanya ng talento at kanya-kanyang mga fans. Hindi na kasalanan ng SB19 if they are so talented that they still shine even as solo artists. At mas lalong hindi nila kasalanan na may solid fandom sila na todo ang suporta at pagmamahal kahit pa nagsusolo sila. Nakakatawa lang ang pag-iisip ng iba na SB19 has to disband to give way to others. Napakalaki ng industriya, lahat ay may lugar. Kaya SB19 disbandment in your dreams. Kaya talaga 18, pag-igihan natin ang pag-stream at pagboto para sa SB19. No matter what our issues inside the fandom, no retreat, no surrender, we will remain as one family. Tandaan na natural lang sa isang pamilya ang mga may di pagkakaunawaan. But with our love of our Mahalima as the foundation, walang makakagiba sa fandom. SB19's power is in their talent and as 18, our power is in our unity. Kaya wag nating pagbigyan sila.